Good morning. Ooh, getting ready to make pancakes. I'd love you to join me. I'm going to be using banana flour. Have you ever had banana flavoured pancakes? It is actually the banana skin that goes into the banana flour. I never knew that. So, what are we going to wear on top? Oh, yellow top. How about that? Bright and sunny for this bank holiday Friday. Oh. 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 Right, are we ready? Come on, let's make pancakes. Oh, so here we are with banana flour. Now, the only place I've managed to find it and purchase it in a store is Holland and Barrett. Can't get it in the UK, tried it in Malta. Only place I see to be able to buy it is Netherlands. How strange is that? I have seen it online on Amazon. First of all, we need milk. You can use skimmed milk, semi-skimmed, full, super creamy Jersey milk. I've never done it with almond, oat milk, about half a pint, which is about 300 ml. What we need next are eggs. Next we measure out, but I don't have scales, so I'm just going to do 4 large spoonfuls. 1 egg for now. Oh. 2 eggs, love this one. All speckled egg. And it smells. Oh, I wish you could smell that banana. Oh, it is nice. All does it for me, but just by magic. I cook my pancakes in butter. Small knob, 2 small knobs. We're just smoking. Right, there we go. I'm only going to do 2 and save this for Saturday morning. Let's twirl you around. Ooh, all the way. We don't want any gaps. There we go. Right, I'm going to put a few little raspberries in the middle. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of lemon. I love this lemon squeezer. It was from Marks and Spencer's. I don't need a lot. I just wanted some liquid. Then I'm going to roll it up. And flip. So I've got some yogurt. I'm going to put yogurt over the top of the pancake. Woo! There we go. Banana pancakes, raspberries and honey ginger yogurt. Have a wonderful Friday. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.